Hey you guys, hope you all are doing well in YouTube world. Just on a little van excursion at Crazy Creek Campground here. Pretty cool. It's an old, apparently it's an old store, or what's left of it anyways. Let's go take a quick walk. Got the electric bike today. I got you guys on the chest mount. Hi-ya! Whew. Crazy. That's cool, hey? I guess there would have been a basement in it. That's why it's dug so deep. They just used the rocks. Very cool. Let's go check out a trail just over here. I've never done it before, so it's new to me too. Yeah. Beautiful area though. I got the Cove today, you guys. This is one of my DIY e-bikes. It's a pretty sweet bike, to be honest. The Coves are handmade in Vancouver, or they used to be. I don't think they're in business anymore, but pretty awesome bikes. Make a good electric bike, that's for sure. Walking trail, apparently. All kinds of sites down there. Those look more like for motorbikes and tent camping and stuff, but oh, there's more, something else there. Train station ruins. I guess this all had to do with the train station because the tracks are right there. Huh. Crazy. Yeah, that's been there for more than a day or two. Pretty cool. Huh. Looks like parts of the roof over here. Oh, look at those crazy flowers up in there. Really cool. I think I hear a train coming. Coming in hot. Oh, there's another huge building. Oh, wow, crazy. Oh, wow, that one's huge. Sawmill ruins. What? Oh, what the? Check this out, you guys. Beautiful. Hey, you guys, look at how green everything is. I just love this time of year. I'll shut the bike off, actually. Look at this. Look at the size of these walls. You see that? Very, very neat. Oh, wow. Yeah, everything's so darn green. It's unfortunate that we got to get into the hot season. Oh, that's neat. You can see the old roof line. There's a massive waterfall maybe I'll take you guys up to later today. Yeah, that's really neat, actually. Actually, I'm gonna get some pictures with the bike in here. But yeah, it's so green because they get so much, we get a lot of rain this time of year. Yeah, that's really neat, actually. Wow. It's a lot of cement. I'm gonna take a few pictures with the bike and we'll continue. I wonder why they had the slot. I see old 2x4s in the, they poured the concrete right around those. I wonder why they left them in there. Huh. You know you love your electric bike when photo shoot. Okay, more photos. Hey, yeah. One thing I really like about the bicycles, you guys, is they're so portable. Like you can just go, you know, it's sometimes hard to get places with a motorcycle because it's so darn big. But the bicycle, you can literally lift it where you want to go. Yeah, right on. That's pretty cool. Ah.
You take me back to a place that I've never been. Yeah, not a cloud, just a dream, but that's how it felt. Yeah, I miss the days when the time moves slow. In your embrace, I on it fell. I fell from grace when it fell apart. It's not too late to chase our stars. Comes from nowhere, makes you wonder if you lost control, leaves you breathless, changes what you think is possible.
Beautiful. When you guys are in the remote Canadian wilderness, make sure you always have your bear spray. Of course I forgot mine. LOL. Wow. Nothing wrong with that, you guys. You can even ride on these, they're smooth enough. Oh, maybe not. Oh, we're gonna get into water. Cool. Ah, the great Canadian outdoors. This is going to be beautiful in the summer. Could dip in the river. Boy, if you guys could smell what I smell right now, it's good. Oh, it's even starting to rain on us a little bit, and it's still beautiful. Can't tell you guys how much I love these electric bikes. You can just go anywhere with them. Stuff you can't do with a motorcycle, you know what I mean? Oh, I don't know where to go. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, I thought this would have went out to the beach. This is a cool trail, actually. Holy, that's a big old tree. That one's big. So cool. So cool. Sorry about the raindrops, you guys. There's probably raindrops getting on the lens. Not bad, hey? Can imagine being here in the summer when it's nice and warm. Go for a little dip in the water. Oh, there's another train bridge up there. Oh, it's right through the little river. Whoa. So cool. So yeah, you guys, pretty beautiful spot out here. Wow. I wish it was a bluebird sky day, but you can't win them all. It's actually kind of trying to rain a little bit, but sun's trying to poke out up there, if you can see that, but just beautiful around here. I'm actually standing in the river, if you can see that. Wow. Train bridge off in the distance there. That water is flowing fast. Like, that is a ton of water. I don't know if you can see how fast it's moving. So yeah, that's the mountain bike setup. So right on, I hope you guys enjoy some of those mountain bike vlogs. Let me know what you guys think about that. Definitely hit this button. Drop some comments below and a thumbs up. Never hurt a guy. I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye.